So I have my Jade roller in a Ziploc baggie that I just keep in the fridge, well, freezer, to make sure it's nice and cold. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Well, first of all, I'm going to put a little bit of moisturizer on. I'm just doing a little bit of vitamin E oil from Trader Joe's because it helps my skin not be so dry. I have terribly dry skin, so I like to put a little vitamin E oil to boost it a little bit. But you don't have to. You can do it on dry skin. You can do it with your lotion on. So I like to have something to kind of glide my Jade roller. So benefits of Jade rolling, I go right here, is it basically wakes up your skin and gets rid of wrinkles, and this actually helps boost collagen in your skin. Yeah, so you keep going, roll it and bring it down. Bring it down your neck. Now I like to pretend that there is a layer under my skin of just like liquid, and what I am trying to do is I am trying to roll that liquid out of my skin. So you go like that, and then you go down, because you don't want to push all that liquid up into your head. Like that. Down. And this looks amazing, like if you're going out for the night, to just do a quick Jade roll, even if it's not morning, you can do it at nighttime too. But to just do a quick Jade roll before you put your makeup on, and you will, I guarantee, see a difference. And I will typically do this 10, 20 minutes, maybe even a half hour, depends, because usually I'm watching TV. See? Just helps so good. And it's also good for like helping with sinus pressure, like I even have a little bit today. So I'm just gonna get right in there with the roller. I had a sinus infection not too long ago, and this thing was a lifesaver. I just kept rubbing it like right here on my face. And I like to go over my smile lines, because I have not been doing a very good bitch face lately. I've been way too happy. Major problems. Yeah. So that's basically it, and I do that. Just repeat for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and you will look amazing. And then put your makeup on and you're good to go. That's it. I'm always really careful on my forehead because of my Botox. I don't want to like screw up my Botox. But yeah, so I hope you like that video. I hope that's somewhat helpful. The Jade roller just really does have so many great benefits, especially for your skin. I know I've noticed a huge benefit in my skin. I'm kind of addicted to it, and I didn't expect I would be. I thought it was one of those like products I was like, eh, but it's amazing. So I hope you like this video. Be sure to check back this week for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.